Is your 2017-2019 Buick LaCrosse key fob not working? A dead battery is the likely culprit. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY battery replacement. Save time and money by doing it yourself. The process remains consistent, and this video reflects current best practices as of late 2025. The 2017-2019 Buick LaCrosse key fob uses a CR22 3V lithium coin cell battery. These are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers like Amazon and AutoZone for under $5. Ensure you purchase a fresh battery for optimal performance. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a specialized key fob opening tool, available for $5 to $10. A prying tool can also work as an alternative. Have a soft cloth handy to protect the fob's surface during the process. Remember to discharge any static electricity by touching a metal object before you begin to avoid damaging the electronics. Locate the seam on your key fob. For 2017-2019 LaCrosse models, starting at the keyring end is usually easiest. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver or prying tool into the seam. Twist to separate the two halves. Avoid excessive force to prevent damage. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Pay attention to the battery's orientation with the positive side up. You might need to use the tip of your screwdriver to gently dislodge it. Note the polarity for correct placement of the new battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure it sits flush. Double-check the orientation against the markings inside the fob. Improper orientation will prevent the fob from working. With the new battery installed, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Start by aligning the edges and pressing firmly until you hear a click. Make sure the seam is completely closed and there are no gaps. Now test the key fob functions to ensure everything works properly. Press the lock button to test locking, unlock for unlocking, the trunk release, and the panic alarm button. If the key fob doesn't work, carefully reopen it and double-check that the battery is correctly placed with the positive side up. Misalignment during reassembly is the most common issue. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacement, ensure the battery is brand new and installed correctly with the positive side facing up. Moisture can severely damage the key fob's electronics. Always ensure the fob is completely dry before reassembling and using it. Buick has extended warranty coverage for some 2019 LaCrosse models experiencing premature key fob failure. Check with your dealer to see if your vehicle qualifies. Improper disposal of old batteries contributes to electronic waste. Always recycle your used CR2032 batteries at designated collection points. As digital key systems and smartphone apps become more prevalent in newer vehicles, physical key fobs like those in the 2017-2019 LaCrosse will gradually be phased out.